everyone, and welcome back to English Pod Up. I'm Emma, your English teacher. Today we are going to learn how to talk about sports in English.
Hello, everyone. I'm Leo, and I'm excited to learn how to discuss sports naturally and confidently.
Before we start, please subscribe to English Pod Up, like this episode, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more practical English lessons.
Thank you for supporting English Pod Up.
Talking about sports is fun and very useful for daily conversations. We will practice simple and natural sentences that you can use immediately.
Great. I want to talk about sports easily with friends and teachers.
Let's start with basic phrases for talking about sports.
Okay.
You can say, "What sports do you like?" "I love football, basketball, or swimming." "I enjoy playing tennis and running." "My favorite team is..." "I like watching sports on TV." "I don't like some sports like boxing or wrestling."
What sports do you like? I love football and swimming. I enjoy playing basketball and running. My favorite team is Manchester United. I like watching sports on TV. I don't like boxing.
Excellent. Now let's practice a dialogue for starting a sports conversation.
Okay.
Hi, Leo. What sports do you like?
Hi, Emma. I love football and basketball. I enjoy swimming on weekends.
Nice. Do you play any sports regularly?
Yes, I play football with my friends every Saturday. I also swim twice a week.
Great. Now let's practice talking about teams and players.
You can say, my favorite player is, I like this team because they are very strong and skilled. My favorite team is Barcelona. I support my local football club. My favorite player is Lionel Messi. I like this team because they play well together. They are very strong and skilled.
Very good. Dialogue example.
Who is your favorite player, Emma?
I like Serena Williams. She is very talented and hardworking.
I enjoy watching Messi play. He is very fast and clever.
Perfect. Now let's practice giving opinions about sports.
You can say, football's exciting, basketball is fun to watch. Swimming is relaxing. Tennis is difficult. I enjoy watching live matches. Some sports are dangerous. Football is exciting. Basketball is fun to watch. Swimming is relaxing. Tennis is difficult. I enjoy watching live matches. Boxing is dangerous.
Dialogue example.
Do you like tennis, Emma?
Yes, tennis is fun to watch, but it is quite difficult.
I enjoy swimming because it is relaxing.
Now let's practice recommending sports.
You can say, you should try football. I recommend swimming. It is very healthy and fun. You will enjoy it. It is suitable for children and adults. You should try swimming. I recommend football. It is very healthy and fun. You will enjoy it. It is suitable for adults.
Dialogue example.
Do you want to try a new sport this week?
Yes, I recommend swimming. It is fun and good for health.
Great. I will try it with my friends.
Now let's practice talking about sports equipment and places.
You can say, I need a football, basketball, or racket. I play at the park or in a gym. I have a sports club membership. I buy my equipment at the store. I need a football. I play at the local stadium and in the park. I have a gym membership. I buy my sports equipment at the sports store.
Dialogue example.
Where do you play football, Emma?
I play at the park near my house. I also sometimes go to a sports club.
That's great. I go to the gym for basketball practice.
Perfect. Now let's practice talking about sports results and competitions.
You can say, our team won the match. We lost, but it was exciting. The score was, I watched the game on TV. The tournament was amazing. Our team won the football match last weekend. We lost the basketball game, but it was exciting. The score was 3-2. I watched the match on TV. The tournament was amazing.
Dialogue example.
Did your team win the match?
Yes, we won 2-1. It was very exciting.
I watched the game on TV. Our team played very well.
Now let's practice talking about injuries and challenges in sports.
You can say, I injured my leg. It was painful. Training is hard but fun. I need practice to improve. Some sports are challenging. I injured my ankle last month. It was painful, but I recovered. Training is hard but fun. I need practice to improve my skills. Football is challenging but enjoyable.
Dialogue example.
Did you have any injuries recently, Emma?
Yes, I hurt my wrist while playing tennis. It was painful.
I understand. I also had a small injury, but I recovered quickly.
Finally, let's review useful phrases for talking about sports.
Repeat after me. What sports do you like? I love football, basketball, or swimming. My favorite team is I support. My favorite player is football is exciting. I enjoy watching live matches. You should try some sports are dangerous. I play at the park or gym. I need sports equipment.
Perfect. Now a full conversation from start to finish.
Okay.
Hi, Leo. What sports do you like?
Hi, Emma. I love football and basketball. I also swim on weekends.
Do you play any sports regularly?
Yes, I play football with friends every Saturday and swim twice a week.
Who is your favorite player?
Lionel Messi. He is very fast and clever.
Do you like tennis?
Yes, it is fun but difficult. Swimming is relaxing.
Do you want to try a new sport this week?
Yes, I will try swimming with my friends.
That's perfect. Thank you for practicing with me, Leo.
And thank you to all our listeners. Please subscribe to English Pot Up, like this episode, and share it with your friends.
Keep practicing English by talking about sports.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.